how to convert Calendly to Squarespace, or how to add Calendly to Squarespace. So I have my Squarespace website editor open here, and now I'm going to go to Calendly here, and I'll just create a sample event. So I'm just going to click on create here. Event type, I will choose one-on-one meeting. Then after this loads, I will choose the date, time, and fill out any additional info. So the event name is going to be Squarespace event. The duration is going to be 30 minutes. It's going to be a phone call. I will update this. I will call my invitee, update, and then I'll click on continue here. Now, after we have done this, we'll select the date. So I'll just do the 22nd and 9 a.m. And what we have to do now is we have to click on share. Now, after we click on share here, we will be able to find the code. So I'm just going to exit out of this. I'll click on done here. It's going to generate me my event. So you can see the Squarespace event here. And what we have to do, just give me a second. So you didn't actually need to close that page, my bad on that one, but if we click on share here, it takes us to the screen that we had previously, and we have to click on add to website, and then we'll select this first option for inline embed. So if we click on inline embed, then we click on continue, it is going to generate this code for us, and we'll have to copy the code. Now, after we have copied the code by pressing on this button, I'm going to go back to Squarespace here. I will click on edit. Then I will need to add a new block, and we have to go to embed here. So if we click on embed, it's going to look like this. I will just drag it to the side so it's more visible. Now I'm going to click on edit, and here I can add either the code snippet here or the link. So if we click on the link, we can just copy the link that we had previously, or if we copy the code itself, we'll go to code, and then I've clicked on embed data, and I'll right click and paste my code here. Now this is going to make this appear on my website. It currently doesn't show because we're logged in, but for any external viewers, you will be able to see your Calendly meeting here that we've just generated onto our Squarespace website. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.